Are you a woman?
Yeah!
Are you sick of getting hit on by creepy guys?
Yeah!
Then we have a product for you.
Yeah!
And try our Swerve perfume. If you go out on a date and you don't like the dude, no problem. Just spray a little Swerve and he'll be out of there faster than Taylor Swift's relationships. We have a mini travel-size Swerve. Just ask one of our satisfied customers.
I can even keep it on my keychain.
You can use your mini Swerve anywhere, anytime. At the club, Swerve. Walk into classes, Swerve. Sexual assault, Swerve. Even teachers are problem.
So buy Swerve today for only 17 easy payments of $29.99. And then when you buy your own Swerve perfume, it includes a free mini Swerve. That's a lot of Swerve. Swerve perfume may include the following side effects: nausea, confusion, erectile dysfunction, disorientation, instant loss of attraction, diabetes, temporary blindness, severe pain, muscle spasms, and death. So buy Swerve today.